Hey Kelly, are we supposed to get ready?
No, they're dragging still. Ooh. Maybe.
Yeah, they're gonna spray the field.
Oh, they're gonna water, and then they're gonna drag. So we should probably get going after that, though.
Well, are we like first up after that?
No, because we have the 3-foot hunter still. We still have the 3-foot class.
We have time.
What class are you guys in?
T6 intermediate all adult. I am an adult. Keep getting the fence in on my pictures. Because I'm too lazy to stand.
Hey, Deb.
Jack attack. You shark boy.
He is. You love taking pictures.
I like the noise. It sounds silly, but I really like the noise of it. Oh, they're gonna drag it. Okay, let me go see what the order of classes is. And then I'll let you know.
Ooh, my arm is hurting.